Alright, this video is for SRT-4 owners. I have a 2003 SRT-4. I bought it in February 2003. I'm the original owner. I had a problem about 2 months ago with a drop. I was getting on the freeway as the light turned green and I heard a boom and my car started running real funny and going all by itself. It got to 2,500 RPM without me touching the gas pedal. And so for the last 2 months, I've been trying to chase down this problem. When I got home, I found my intercooler bottom hose to the, came off right here. I don't know if you can see it. Sorry, it's a video, but that popped off. And when that happened, it damaged this unit right here. It broke off the tip on that. That piece flew up into the IAC and got jammed. And that caused my throttle to hang at 2,500 RPM. I did a smoke test, everything you can think of to try to fix the problem. And it ends up that I think that was it. So if you accelerate and that lower hose pops off, one of the things that could really cause you to have trouble is the temperature sensor, I guess, being damaged and the piece flying up into your IAC unit. I'm gonna go look at the IAC unit. And I found this little piece in the IAC unit, and it went to this. I was lucky to find both pieces, so here's what it went to. As you can see, the roll cage for it, or the protective piece, popped off when the intercooler hose blew off. And I found it lodged right in here. It was holding this open. So if you're ever driving your SRT-4 and you get on the gas and you hear a boom and the car quits running right, chances are that intercooler hose popped off on the driver's side lower, and something got into your IAC, like in my case. That little piece that protects that little probe came off and got wedged in my IAC.